giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Hi there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silla. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. We recently got to learn about the Durban-based funeral parlor called Icebolethu funeral during Mampinja's funeral, and also his mom who got the most proper burial from that parlor. Well, you guys, the CEO and founder of the parlor's name is a woman, and her name is Nomfumdo Mcoyi, and she has a net worth of millions of rands. She flew to Bali for her birthday celebration a couple of days ago with her fiance and got married at them. It is said that the wedding cost multiple million rands. Pictures of the wedding are doing its round on social media. So who is Nomfumdo? This is what I've actually found out. Nomfumdo Mcoyi is an accomplished multi-skill entrepreneur and community builder based in KwaZulu-Natal. She is the founder and CEO of Icebolethu Group, which currently boasts over 120 branches in the KwaZulu-Natal, with one in the United Kingdom, and currently employs over 1,500 staff, you guys. Mrs. Mcoyi is the chairperson of the KZN South African Funeral Practitioner Association and is a shareholder as Sekribante Labor Consultant as well as Black Seas. She has won numerous awards, including the Standard Bank KZN Top Businesswomen for 2019. You guys, so without wasting your time, check out some of the pictures from that multi-million wedding, and please do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next upload. Bye.